everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Mehek and this is my channel Language Store, where we use easy and simple methods to learn more about English and Spanish. In our today's video, we are going to learn about idioms and phrases. This topic is very much common. We use idioms in our daily lives, and apart from using it in our day-to-day life, there's another important reason that I'm picking, that is entrance examinations. I mean, we all know there are a lot of entrance exams across the country. There's MBA, CAT, MAT, GMAT, then there are government exams, UPSC, SSC, bank exams, and in each exam there is a section that says give the meaning of following idioms and phrases, which is about 5 to 7 marks. That is very much important. I mean, losing even a single mark in an entrance exam can cost us a lot. We all have been there, so we know it. So that's why this topic is really important. I mean, both the ways. We are also using it in daily lives and in exams, very important exams. So either way it's going to be beneficial. So let's get started. And before that, if you still haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate if you can just take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started.
It means trying to do two different things at once but failing at both. For example, he was trying to be both a father and a mother to her daughter, but instead he caught up between two stools. It means a person having no substance, integrity, or is weak to make a decision. For example, he was accused by his friends of being a man of straw and lacking decisiveness. It means not to rush into a decision until one has slept through the night. It simply means to take some time before getting into a conclusion. For example, why don't you sleep on it and let us know your decision in the morning? It means making a fuss or big deal out of something, when you exaggerate a small thing and make it a big issue. For example, you were not supposed to believe Priya. She is always making mountains out of a molehill. It means to do something that makes a bad situation even worse. For example, Om's teacher was already angry with him, and his lame excuses just added fuel to the fire. It means one who has big talks but lacks in action, one who just says a lot but doesn't do anything. For example, John always threatens me to call the police if I don't stay off his lawn, but he's all bark and no bite. It means to miss your chance or an opportunity. For example, he missed the boat when he did not apply for the job in time. It means to successfully deal with the situation. For example, Mark lost his father, but his family somehow weathered the storm. It means something that seems unlucky or unfortunate at first, but later results in something good. For example, somebody lost a job, and later they find another job with a huge raise in money and opportunities. So they say losing that job was a blessing in disguise, really. It means achieving two things in a single action. For example, cycling to work kills two birds with one stone. It saves money and gives you some exercise.
So this was about it. I hope I was helpful. Stay tuned. We are going to come back with another video next week. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.